If you are wondering what is the recommended charger for Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then you can find the answer over here on the box. So as you can see here, the recommended charger should have 90 watts. This is the maximum amount of watts that the phone can use. But of course, feel free to get a faster charger. However, keep in mind that even if you have, for example, 100 or 200 watts charger, it won't charge the phone faster. So this is something to remember. In addition to that, ideally you want to get the original Xiaomi charger. This is because if we go to battery settings and go to charging options, then over here we can enable the top speed or fast charging for the wired method. And this, on the other hand, also provides this description where this feature works only with Xiaomi's supplied chargers. So if you, for example, have another or a power adapter from another brand, then the top speed option might not work at all. So if you're wondering about the most optimal charger, then it should be a Xiaomi charger that has at least 90 watts. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!